This is the trade review for the 2nd of January 2025. And today I was looking at Tesla. It was trading very nice. On the daily, you can see a nice run after the election, but it failed to approach 500 and faded a little bit, attempted one more time, and sold off, forming a double top. But it looks like it's been nice to trade for a sell-off, for a reversal, for traverses. So I was looking forward to trading it today. Today had some news on the explosion of the Tesla Cybertruck. So it sold off in the pre-market a lot, which meant that the price was trading below yesterday's range. So we definitely were far from yesterday's value and yesterday's range. So it was going to be a very interesting day today. The Camarilla pivots were bearish, as you can see here. They were bearish, and the yesterday close was on there about S4. So we didn't break out the Camarilla pivots yesterday to the bottom, but we closed very weak, and and today we were opening very close to the bottom as well. So we were very bearish, although I usually take this as a signal to go long, and today was definitely something that I was looking for. And the pivots were wide, so another reason to lean forward towards long from S4. And so I was hoping for a return to value. We open very weak, and some people might have taken it as an upper range breakout. And after the first 2 minute candle, we ended up closing under S4, tried to pull back, and it could have been a nice entry at 386 with a stop loss of $2 at 388 for a breakdown from S4. But I wasn't really going for a short, especially at the beginning, because I was expecting this reversal, and which honestly was a really nice move of $13. So, but I was too scared to take it. But the signals were there, and the level two was both very bullish and bearish. So I hesitated on taking this trade, but you can see we had a lot of volume, and we rejected S6, and we were igniting a nice return to the open price at least. This open price at the beginning was open drive, but returning to open reject reverse, and so it was telling me that we were not going to have a very well defined move to one side. So I relaxed and I waited for an opportunity to short. This looked like a nice entry for short, and I was really tempted to take it, especially as we engulfed the 5 minute candle here. But I decided to wait, and it seemed like I had missed my opportunity. But waited, saw the rejection of the open price with some throwing some wicks in here. Had a doji and for my hammer at the open price, and my entry was a bit late, but it had a lot of confirmation, and I could have taken it earlier at around 390, but with moves like this, a $2 difference is not gonna make uh, it's not gonna make much of a difference. So I pulled the trigger here for an entry, and I decided to for now just go all out, and had a very wide stop loss, uh, and waited for a move to the downside. And as you can see, we had a really smooth ride to the downside after my entry, and I decided to get out at 380. It was a nice solid number to hit my target. I could have waited for 377.50, but I will be pinching just one extra R or 2 R. And it's just above S5 and S6. In another day, I could have been more patient, But I'm happy with that, especially after missing the long, which is the trade I was hunting. And for the rest of the day, he traded as a neutral or a normal market structure. So we never really tested these ranges all day. So I took the best entry for a short here. Could have partial and added on these pullbacks, but that means that you are gonna be here all day to take full advantage of these moves. But I'm very happy with the entry and with the results. So it was a nice trading day. It did respect the rules. This was S for breakdown. So this is a B trade. So we're gonna do that into the stats. This is a B trade. We executed, yes. The order book was a bit balanced. Resulted in a win. Resulted in 3R. And we executed at 100%. We did meet our goal. We took only one trade. It was a win. So we ended up winning 3R. And we executed on plan. Plan. Place a reasonable stop loss and held to target. And we made our goal for the day. This is going to be one green trade and 0 reds. All this is good. I'm going to color that one. Yeah, that's it for the trading review. One good trade on Tesla and a simple